It's visible to everyone.
इसमें वो
We guys can start now.
Yeah, I think. So, hi everyone. Welcome to our session of Art of Object Detection with YOLO, which is organized by Omdena VIT-Bhopal chapter. So, you might know that we are doing a project with Mexico chapter named AI Road Inspection, and object detection is a thing which we are actually using in our project. So, we thought why should our collaborators will now why not should, yeah, sorry. So we thought why should not our collaborators tell everyone about all the community members about the object detection with YOLO. So yes, so it was presented solely by our collaborators. This session will be of 2 days. For today, we will be covering the theoretical part. Tomorrow, we will be covering the installation and the more practical part and giving a demo. It will be same as today, 10 p.m. only. Okay. So first speaker we have Anirudh, who is our collaborator. Yeah. Anirudh, all
Am
yours.
I audible and visible?
yeah, you're audible and visible.
Okay. So, good evening, guys. This is Anirudh Kumar in his second year BTech CSE AI.
Anirudh,
I
you're
know
mute
actually
again.
mute.
Mute again. You got mute.
Sorry.
Start again.
Yeah. Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. This is Anirudh Kumar in his second year BTech CSE AIML. And as you are aware, our topic of discussion is object detection. Before I explain the initials of this topic, how many of you have any idea what is object detection? You can comment in the chat. It is a very easy topic, I believe. So how many of you have any idea? I'm expecting some answers.
Come on, guys. Like, show raise of hands.
What do you understand from object and a detection word together? Well, no problem. Let me explain it in depth. If you go over the word object and the other one is detection. Object means a materialistic thing which can be seen and felt. And detection means you are aware of object's presence. And for that, what is the prerequisite? The prerequisite is that you should know the object already, and then you know that this is an object known as XYZ. It may be bottle, it may be bed, it may be pillow, and so on. And now it should be there, hence detected. For example, as a 2-3-year-old baby, you are taught this cylindrical object with a certain height is known as bottle, or this rectangular object with this size or thickness may be called as a book. So, as an AI model, you have been trained to recognize the object by making you aware about its size, shape, color, style, and so on. So, a big question: how does a computer achieves it? Before that, I will give you another opportunity to answer a question. The question is, what is the basic structure of an image? So who can answer it? You can write in the chat section.
Function of pixels.
Exactly.
It has dimensions.
Yes, the correct answer is pixels. Well, when the pixels are arranged in a rhythmic manner with a certain amount of red, green, and blue color, that is RGB in it, then a digital image is formed. Therefore, for object detection, you should have some rhythmically arranged pixels containing some amount of RGB. In short, an image or a group of image aligned in a certain way, which means a video, right? Well, yeah, then how would you detect an object? Well, when you train your model for object detection, in the case of images, it is recognized by breaking it in terms of pixels. And in the case of a video, it is first broken into frames, and then it is recognized with a similar algorithm that we used for an image. Now, I will share my screen, and then you can see an example. Here is it visible?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, yes.
Okay. So I have already downloaded YOLO. So I am using it, but you will know what is YOLO, how can you download it, what is the algorithm. All things will be explained by other speakers. Yes, now it is fusing the layers. Here is the summary. So can you see this box window here?
Yeah, we can see it.
So fortunately, this algorithm is recognizing me as a human, as a person. So as you can see, uh, this is object detection. But before this, there are three concepts that you should be aware of. First is image detection. Second is localization. And when you combine these two things, you will get the object detection. Now, what is image recognition or image detection? You will put an image to the model, and then it will recognize it as it will label the image as a dog, cat, maybe a person. But the catch is, if there are multiple person or multiple objects, similar objects in the same frame or the image, then it will tell you that all the things that you have is a dog. If you have two dogs in a single image, then it will be labeled as dogs. You won't know where is the dog, how many dogs are there, is it single dog or a multiple dog. But through the localization, you can see that it has localized me here as a person here. Now, in a single, what will happen if there are multiple objects? So if I put a bottle here, it will say, okay, there is a bottle also. Now, multiple objects has been recognized in a single frame or in a single image. This is object detection. Here, you can see the book can be recognized and so on. So how you can achieve it? What is the process? You can, it will be explained by our other speaker. So over to you, Punit.